Hello friends, welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn 12 types of nouns, and I am sure that by the end of this lesson, you will master all these 12 types. You will be able to identify all these 12 types. So let's begin. The first type is common noun. It is the name of a person, place, or thing. For example, teacher, book, city, country, girl, boy, etc. These are common nouns. Common nouns are the names of people, places, or things in general. The mall has a lot of people. We use public transport to go to the mall. The word people, transport are common nouns. They are not the names of any particular person, place, or thing. Now tell me one common noun. Very good. Now tell me one more common noun. Excellent. The next type of noun is proper noun. It is the name of a particular person, place, or thing. For example, Mr. Smith, London, Amazon, Coca-Cola, Titanic, etc. Proper nouns are the names of particular person, place, or thing. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter and they are singular. We have learned that the Amazon River is the longest river in the world. The word Amazon is a proper noun because it is the name of a particular river. Now tell me one proper noun. Excellent. Now tell me one more proper noun. Wonderful. The third type of noun is collective noun. A collective noun is the name of a group of people, animals, or things. For example, team, flock, herd, family, committee, jury, audience, etc. Look at this sentence. There is a flock of birds on the tree. Here flock is a collective noun. It is the name of a group of birds. Now tell me one collective noun. Good. Now tell me one more collective noun. Excellent. The fourth type of noun is a material noun. A material noun is the name of something that something else is made from. For example, silver, wood, cotton, gold, plastic, etc. Look at this sentence. This ring is made of gold. Here gold is a material noun. It shows what the ring is made from. Now tell me one material noun. Very good. Now tell me one more material noun. Wonderful. The fifth type of noun is a concrete noun. A concrete noun is the name of something that you can experience with your 5 senses. That means if you can see it, touch it, smell it, hear it, or taste it, it is a concrete noun. For example, dog, chair, food, music, flower, perfume, etc. Look at this sentence. I can hear beautiful music here. Music is a concrete noun. You can hear it now. Tell me one concrete noun. Excellent. Now tell me one more concrete noun. Wonderful. The sixth type of noun is an abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name of something that you cannot experience with your 5 senses. That means you cannot see it, touch it, smell it, hear it, or taste it. For example, love, happiness, freedom, courage, knowledge, time, etc. Look at this sentence. Freedom is the most important thing in life. Here freedom is an abstract noun. You cannot see it, touch it, etc. Now tell me one abstract noun. Very good. Now tell me one more abstract noun. Fantastic. The seventh type of noun is a possessive noun. A possessive noun shows ownership or possession. For example, hers, his, its, ours, son's, etc. Look at this sentence. That is her bike. Here her is a possessive adjective. It shows that the bike belongs to her. Now tell me one possessive noun. Excellent. Now tell me one more possessive noun. Wonderful. The eighth type of noun is a personal noun. Personal nouns are used when we talk about ourselves. For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These are personal nouns. Personal nouns are also called pronouns. Look at this sentence. I have a blue car. Here I is a personal noun. It refers to the speaker. Now tell me one personal noun. Very good. Now tell me one more personal noun. Fantastic. The ninth type of noun is an ordinal noun. Ordinal nouns are used to show position or order. For example, first, second, third, etc. For example, look at this sentence. Isha is the second student to finish her homework. Here, second is an ordinal noun. It shows the position of Esha. Now tell me one ordinal noun. Excellent. Now tell me one more ordinal noun. Wonderful. The 10th type of noun is a compound noun. A compound noun is formed when 2 or more words are joined together to make a noun. For example, basketball, football, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law, etc. Look at this sentence. My sister-in-law is a doctor. Here sister-in-law is a compound noun. It is formed by the words sister-in-law. Now tell me one compound noun. Very good. Now tell me one more compound noun. Fantastic. The 11th type of noun is a fraction noun. A fraction noun shows part of something. For example, half, some, many, few, little, much, etc. For example, look at this sentence. I have eaten some pizza. Here some is a fractional noun. It shows how much pizza I have eaten. Now tell me one fraction noun. Excellent. Now tell me one more fraction noun. Wonderful. The 12th type of noun is a superlative noun. A superlative noun is used to compare more than two things. For example, best, biggest, highest, lowest, smallest, youngest, etc. For example, look at this sentence. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Here, highest is a superlative adjective. It compares Everest to all other mountains in the world. Now tell me one superlative noun. Very good. Now tell me one more superlative noun. Fantastic. Now let's do some exercises. Exercise number 1. Identify the type of noun. The first one is easy. You can do it. Tell me the type of noun. Aisha. Excellent. What about London? Wonderful. Team. Good. Freedom. Excellent. Gold. Very good. Dog. Wonderful. His. Excellent. Second. Very good. Basketball. Wonderful. Some. Excellent. Biggest. Wonderful. Exercise number 2. Write 3 sentences. In each sentence you have to use one common noun, one proper noun, one collective noun, one material noun, one concrete noun, one abstract noun, one possessive noun, one personal noun, one ordinal noun, one compound noun, one fraction noun, and one superlative noun. All right, you can write them on the board. Let's see. The first sentence. There is a team of painters painting a house. Very good. The second sentence. My father bought me a new football. Excellent. The third sentence. She is the best student in our class. Wonderful. So, that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for future updates. Thank you and have a nice day.